guys and happy Saturday! Welcome back to my channel. So, you might have noticed that I haven't done my brows yet. That's because for today's video, I will be sharing with you one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. Sobrang mura niya for its quality. And yeah, gusto ko siya share sa inyo. So, without further ado, let's get started na. Let's do this! And guys, I have an ongoing giveaway right now. If you haven't watched my giveaway video, I will put it in the description box below. Or just click the I button right here. So, you should join my giveaway. And yeah, let's go. So, bakit nga ba favorite ko tong eyebrow pencil na to? Favorite ko tong eyebrow pencil na to kasi I have been using this for almost 3 years na. Syempre, hindi ito yung mismong ginagamit ko for almost 3 years. But, binabalik-balikan ko siya. Kahit na gumagamit ako ng ibang eyebrow pencil minsan, dito at dito pa rin ako bumabalik. So, kung mahal mo talaga, babalikan mo. Kahit na makahanap ka ng iba, kung mahal mo talagang, babalik ka pa rin sa kanya. Ang dami kong hugot, guys. So, ano nga ba tong eyebrow pencil na to? Itong eyebrow pencil na to is the Automatic EX24 Eyebrow Pencil from Miniso. Yes, I got it from Miniso. Murang-mura, best. Caring-carry ang Kilay Goals mo with. So, there are times na nakakalimutan kong mag-shape or mag-ahit or mag-whatever, pluck my eyebrows. And sobrang helpful nung brush nitong EX24. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. And also, the formula of the pencil is very smooth when you use it for shaping your brows. So, kung gusto mong may arc or kung gusto mong straight lang, maganda tong pencil na to for that. I'm going to show you how I do my brows para makita nyo kung gaano siya kadaling gamitin and how I use this to do my brows. So, let's do this! Let's go! Okay, so this is the situation of my eyebrows right now and medyo magulo pa siya. That's why I have the brush to clean it up a little bit. So, bago ako mag-apply ng pencil, I shape my brows a little bit using the brush and then I proceed to the pencil na. So, maganda to kasi slanted yung dulo niya. Mas madali siyang i-apply dito sa brows ko. I don't start from the very end. Dito ako sa my middle, nagsisimula to shape my eyebrows. And then, hindi isang diretsong line lang yung ginagawa ko. Dadahan-dahan ako sa paglalagay ng kilay. Kilay takes time and practice. So, I just follow the shape of my brows para it looks more natural. Once I'm happy with the shape, I just fill it in with upward and downward strokes. So, again, nakakatulong tong eyebrow pencil na to do the eyebrow and upward strokes kasi angled siya eh. Yan. Para magmukhang natural yung eyebrows, kaya upward and downward strokes yung ginagamit ko. I just fill them in and then dito medyo parang to make it like parang may hair dito sa dulo. Once I'm happy with how I filled it in, gagamitin ko ulit yung brush para hindi masyadong strong yung application dito sa dulo. Like, I brush it like that. Para magkaroon ng a little bit of blending dyan. Parang sa eyeshadow din, di ba? Para yung eyeshadow natin hindi masyadong makapal, kailangan natin siyang i-blend. Ganon din dito sa eyebrows. So, ayan na. Yan na yung eyebrows ko. So, itong kabila, wala pang eyebrow. Hindi ko pa siya nagagawa. And then, this is the finished one. Ta-da! Now I have fuller brows right here. And then I'm just going to do this other side. And tapos na! This video has helped you decide whether or not you should buy this eyebrow pencil. Kung halimbawa nakita mo siya sa Miniso and you wanted to try it out pero nag-aalangan ka, so this video might help you for that. And if this video helps you, then give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, if you like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well because I upload videos every single week. And I'll see you again next week. Bye!